否則，否則。
Otherwise. If not.
否則。否則的近義詞是不然，不然。否則的意思是表示前文的條件如果不能實現，就會導致後文的情況，常語就配合使用。
It indicates that if the condition in the preceding text cannot be met, it will lead to the situation in the following text. It is often used in conjunction with then.
你們必須刻苦訓練，否則就會被淘汰。你們必須刻苦訓練，否則就會被淘汰。你們必須刻苦訓練，否則就會被淘汰。
You must train hard, or you will be eliminated.
做事情必須小心謹慎，否則會功虧一簣。做事情必須小心謹慎，否則會功虧一簣。做事情必須小心謹慎，否則會功虧一簣。
One must be careful and cautious when doing things, otherwise all efforts will be in vain.
你要抓緊時間了，否則會趕不上這趟航班。你要抓緊時間了，否則會趕不上這趟航班。你要抓緊時間了，否則會趕不上這趟航班。
You need to hurry, or you'll miss your flight.
進行實驗前，必須完全掌握操作規則，否則失敗率會非常高。進行實驗前，必須完全掌握操作規則，否則失敗率會非常高。進行實驗前，必須完全掌握操作規則，否則失敗率會非常高。
Before conducting an experiment, you must fully understand the operating rules. Otherwise, the failure rate will be very high.
我們必須集中精力推進科技現代化，否則我們將落後於其他公司。我們必須集中精力推進科技現代化，否則我們將落後於其他公司。我們必須集中精力推進科技現代化，否則我們將落後於其他公司。
We must focus our efforts on advancing technological modernization, or we will fall behind other companies.
夫婦，夫婦。
Married couple.
夫婦。夫婦的近義詞是夫妻，夫妻。夫婦的近義詞是伉儷，伉儷。夫婦的意思是指合法結婚的兩個人，即丈夫和妻子。
It refers to the two parties who are legally married, namely husband and wife.
隔壁住着一對年輕夫婦。隔壁住着一對年輕夫婦。隔壁住着一對年輕夫婦。
A young couple live next door.
這對夫婦不僅是生活伴侶，也是商業夥伴。這對夫婦不僅是生活伴侶，也是商業夥伴。這對夫婦不僅是生活伴侶，也是商業夥伴。
This couple is not only life partners but also business partners.
他們夫婦二人過着平淡而幸福的生活。他們夫婦二人過着平淡而幸福的生活。他們夫婦二人過着平淡而幸福的生活。
The couple lived a simple and happy life.
這對老夫婦每天早上都會去公園散步。這對老夫婦每天早上都會去公園散步。這對老夫婦 每天早上都會去公園散步。
The elderly couple goes for a walk in the park every morning.
夫妻，夫妻，
Man and wife.
夫妻。夫妻的近義詞是夫婦，夫婦。夫妻的意思是指丈夫和妻子。
It means husband and wife.
李先生和李太太是一對恩愛夫妻。李先生和李太太是一對恩愛夫妻。李先生和李太太是一對恩愛夫妻。
Mr. Lee and Mrs. Lee are a loving couple.
他們是一對令人羨慕的模範夫妻。他們是一對令人羨慕的模範夫妻。他們是一對令人羨慕的模範夫妻。
They are an enviable model couple.
我們是夫妻。我們是夫妻。我們是夫妻。
We are husband and wife.
他們是夫妻關係。他們是夫妻關係。他們是夫妻關係。
They are husband and wife.
夫人。夫人。
Madam.
夫人。夫人的近義詞是太太，太太。夫人的近義詞是女士，女士。夫人主要用作對已婚女性的尊敬稱呼，或用作對別人妻子的禮貌稱呼。
It is mainly used as a respectful term for married women or as a polite way to address someone else's wife.
今晚總理協夫人出席音樂晚會。今晚總理協夫人出席音樂晚會。今晚總理協夫人出席音樂晚會。
The Prime Minister and his wife attended a music gala tonight.
秘書將會議通知交給了部長夫人。秘書將會議通知交給了部長夫人。秘書將會議通知交給了部長夫人。
The secretary delivered the meeting notice to the minister's wife.
張夫人已確認將出席今晚的宴會。張夫人已確認將出席今晚的宴會。張夫人已確認將出席今晚的宴會。
Mrs. Zhang has confirmed that she will attend tonight's banquet.
謝謝觀看。